Hey guys, welcome. My name is Bill and you are at the Vintage VW Adventure YouTube channel. Basically I do restoration and camping with vintage Volkswagens. So if you like that kind of content from full builds, I have multiple playlists on the channel. If you'd like to sit down and do like a binge watch of a build, just follow me along every week by hitting your notification bell and subscribing. And definitely jump in the conversation. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you're building. But I hope that you guys come along and enjoy the channel and go work on your old Volkswagen.